We'll guide you through how to download and install texture packs in Minecraft 1.21.6. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Texture packs can go and change the look of Minecraft. There are loads of different styles you can go and get, and we'll guide you through how you can go and get them and install them. So make sure you watch this step by step. To get started, let's go and quit the game. What you can then do is go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll go and use Chrome, but it doesn't matter. So if you've got a texture pack in mind, you can go and download it. If you want to go and start browsing for them though, a great site I recommend is called CurseForge. You can go to curseforge.com, and then what you can do is go and select Minecraft. What you can do is press browse all at the top. On the left here, you want to go down and find the option for resource packs, also known as texture packs. Now we're going to go and see a load of different packs here. What we can do is go and filter the game version for 1.21.6, but you can go and use older texture packs made for older versions of Minecraft with newer versions. It may go and say it's incompatible, but it will go and work. If there are new textures in the updated version, they may be missing, but it should still go and work. So then what you can do is start going through here and seeing some different packs. So for example, we've got this medieval fantasy take. We could go and click here. You can go and read the description and go and see some examples of what it will look like. But to go and download it, you can go to the top and press files. Then what we can do is go and see it at the top here for 1.21.6. We can press the three dots to the right and go and press download file, like so. You'll go and see the countdown here, and you can go and wait for this to download. So what I'm going to do is go and download a couple. We've now got this one downloaded, and then I'll show you how you can install them. So we can come back here, and then what you can do is go and scroll down and go and find more packs. For example, this realistic woods pack looks pretty cool. So I'll go and click here. We can then go and press files at the top. Then we can come to the right here and press the three dots, and we can go and press download file, like so. So you get the idea. You can go and keep browsing through and getting more packs. But now let's go and start installing them. Just before we do that, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. If you're in need of a Minecraft server, then make sure you go and check out the link in the pinned comment and the description. They've got so many great features like instant setup, so upon purchase you can get playing in seconds, a free subdomain, automated backups. One of my favorite things is 24/7 servers and support, meaning you can get the help anytime you need it. So definitely go and check them out if you're in need of a Minecraft server. A big thanks to them for sponsoring this video. But now to go and continue, what we need to do is go and open up Minecraft. What you can do is come into a world here, and then what we need to do is go and pause it, and we can press options, and in here you'll see the option for resource packs. Click here. I've already got some packs here, which is why you can see them, but what you can do is go and press open pack folder. And what we can do is go and add the packs we just downloaded into here. So what we can do is go and open up our downloads here. Let me just do that here. What you can do is go and drag and drop them in just like so. When you do that, they're then going to go and appear in Minecraft. As you can see here, we've got Ashen. So to apply it, you hover over it and press the arrow. Then what you can do is go and press done. Minecraft will go and reload. And as you can see, this is the medieval texture pack. I think this looks really cool, especially if you want to go and play a certain style of Minecraft. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Goodbye for now.